Hello everyone, my name is Akash Raj. I'm excited to be here today to share our project. Our project is on dialogue understanding. I would like to introduce my team member Varun. So today we will be presenting the result of our research and the recommendation we have developed for this project purpose. We will start discussing by our contents. Here are the contents of our project. So, what is dialogue understanding in terms of NLP? Dialogue understanding in natural language processing refers to the process of comparing and interpreting the text based or spoken conversation between two or more individuals. It's like deals with enabling machines to understand and interpret human language in conversational context. So it is subfield of NLP that focus on extracting meaningful information and insights from dialogue. So human language in conversational context to respond accurately to human queries and improve human machine interaction. Dialogue understanding is vital for chatbots and virtual assistants to comprehend, interpret, and respond correctly to human language. So, dialogue understanding is a complex and challenging task in NLP because it often involves multiple turns in a conversation and meaning of statement can depend on what was previously said. So, dialogue understanding is subfield of NLP uses algorithms to enable machine to comprehend and respond accurately to human language in conversation. This because effective dialogue understanding is crucial for building conversation between agents, customer supports, chatbots, and other applications that involve interacting with user through natural language. This because to determine the intent or purpose behind a speaker's message. This is often important for chatbots, virtual assistants, or other applications that need to respond appropriately to user queries. Also, to identify and characterize entities mentioned in the conversation, such as names of people, places, organizations, dates, and more. Where analyzing the emotion tone of conversation to understand the attitudes, opinions, or emotion expressed by the speaker. This crucial in NLP improving human machine interaction effectiveness with multiple application in customer service, healthcare, and also education, taking into account the context of the conversation including previous iterants to correctly interpret and respond to current message. This involves maintaining a dialogue history in the context of task-oriented dialogue system, tracking the state of the conversation to understand the user's request and guide the system's response effectively. So in some application generating natural language response that are contextually appropriate and coherent with the ongoing dialogue. So let's come to the components of dialogue understanding. Here are the main part: speech recognition, natural language generation, natural language understanding, dialogue management. First comes to the speech recognition. Speech recognition is also known as automatic speech recognition. It is a technology that converts spoken language into written text. It is crucial component of various applications including virtual assistant, transcription service, voice commands, and many more. This process begins with capturing audio input which may come from a microphone, a recording, or a real-time conversation. Natural language understanding as the ability of machines to understand the meaning behind human language and extract useful information. So here the speech recognition system applies the language model and pronunciation model to decode the spoken word and determine the most likely transcription. This processing technique may be employed to enhance the accuracy of transcription. This may include grammatical and semantic analysis. A language model helps in determining the probe word sequence in a given language. It plays a crucial role in rephrasing the spoken words based on context and likelihood of word combination. Language model can be statistical or neural network based. It also enables user to search the web or navigate application using voice commands. So this technology has advanced signification, especially with the adoption of deep learning techniques, resulting in improved accuracy and performance across various applications. It plays a vital role in making spoken language accessible and actionable in the digital world. So, have we discussed about speech recognition? It is the conversion of spoken words into written text using computer algorithm and machine learning techniques. Yes, so the incoming audio signal is subjected to various pre-processing steps, including noise reduction, filtering, and feature extraction to prepare it for analysis. So speech is analyzed, broken down into sounds, words, and sentence. This transcribed through the audio input, which may come from microphone or recording or a real-time conversation. This is achieved through machine learning techniques such as neural network, hidden Markov models, and statistical language models. These algorithms are trained on vast amount of speech data to improve accuracy and enable the recognition of different accents and dialects. So this is because the speech recognition technique is used to convert spoken content such as interviews, meetings, and dictations into written text. It enables user to search the web or navigate application using voice commands. Also, the speech recognition aids individuals with disabilities by allowing them to control computer and communicate through speech. Many customer service helplines, for example, many customer service helplines uses speech recognition to route calls and handle customer inquiries. Also, the professionals such as doctors and lawyers use speech recognition for dictating notes and documents. Here come to the importance of speech recognition. Speech recognition technique is important for variety of reasons and has numerous practical applications across different domains. Its significance stems like accessibility, convenience, efficiency, search and information retrieval, customer service, transcription service, and many more. Uh, Accurate speech recognition is the first step where accessibility uh, speech recognition makes different content and technology accessible to people with disabilities. It allows individuals with mobility impairments, vision impairments, or other disabilities to interact with computers and devices through speech, enhancing their quality of life and independence. It also improves experience like uh, interaction with devices and applications, offering hands-free and voice-activated control. This convenience is evident in voice assistants, smart home systems, and automatic um, voice commands. The most efficiency can improve productivity in various professional settings, like it enables faster and more natural data entry, document creation and information retrieval. For example, professionals in healthcare, legal and journalism use speech recognition to transcribe and document their work efficiently. Popular voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistants, and Alexa have become integral parts of daily life for many users. They provide information, perform tasks, and control smart devices based on voice commands, making them valuable virtual companions. Also, it supports accessibility. The accessibility in automotive application, we can see like speech recognition system reduce distraction by allowing drivers to control infotainment system, make calls and send messages without taking their hands off the steering wheel. Also in healthcare, uh, it is used for medical dictation, allowing healthcare professionals to create patient record, notes, and reports more efficiently. This technology is particularly valuable in healthcare documentation where accuracy is crucial. Also, data analytics can be used to analyze and extract insights from a voice data. This valuable in market research, customer feedback analysis, and other applications. Next, come to the natural language understanding. Natural language understanding is a subfield of natural language processing that focus on the comprehension and interpretation of human language. Natural language understanding system aim to bridge the gap between human language and computer understanding, allowing machines to process, analyze, and extract meaning from textual or spoken language. Natural language understanding is fundamental to building chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational agents that can understand and respond to user queries and commands. This is crucial for providing effective user support and enhancing user experience. Machine learning and deep learning techniques are employed to identify patterns and relationships that reveal the intent meaning of the language, where NLU continues to evolve with advancement in deep learning, particular to the use of transformers, making it more capable of understanding the complexities of human language. It is a crucial technology for enhancing human computer interaction and automating language related tasks across various domains. In business and search, natural language understanding is used for sentiment analysis, market research, and customer feedback analysis. Natural language understanding is a critical component in machine translation system, helping to improve translation accuracy and context awareness. Also, the relevant information is extracted from the analyzed language to provide appropriate response and actions. Natural language understanding can be employed for context modernization in online platforms to filter out inappropriate or harmful content. Here are the importance of natural language understanding. Natural language understanding continues to grow as more industries and applications leverage its capabilities to enhance user experience, streamline process, and gain valuable insights from text and spoken data. Advance in deep learning, particularly the use of transformer models, have greatly improved the accuracy and effectiveness of natural language understanding systems, driving further innovation and adoption across various domains like In natural language understanding technologies combined with speech to text and text to speech capabilities enable people with disabilities to access digital content and interact with devices through speech or text. In the business world, natural language understanding is used for sentiment analysis, market research, and customer feedback analysis, helping companies make data driven decisions and understand customer preferences. Next, come to the dialogue management. Dialogue management is a crucial component in the development of conversational systems and chatbots, particularly in the field of natural language processing. Dialogue management involves handling the flow of conversation and respond appropriately to user input in a way that feels natural and engaging, like managing the turn taking in a conversation involves deciding when it is the system turn to respond and when to listen. This requires handling interruption pauses and maintaining conversational norms. Dialogue managers must understand the context of ongoing conversation, including the user queries, previous system response, and any relevant user history. This content is crucial for maintaining coherence and relevance in conversation. Algorithm analyze user input, identify intents, and extract relevant information. Recognizing the intent behind the user's message is a core function of dialogue management. This involves determining the user goals, requests, or queries uh, to guide the system response effectively. Dialogue manager decides on best course of action based on user input and system goal. In task oriented dialogues, dialogue manager track the current state of the conversation. This helps in understanding and managing complex multiple turn interaction where the user is working towards a specific goal. So natural language generation technique generate and present response to the user. In a In task-oriented system, dialogue management guides the conversation towards completing and specific goals such as booking a flight, ordering food, and providing information on a topic. Effective dialogue management is essential for creating chatbots and conversational agents that can provide valuable user-friendly interaction. Advances in machine learning, reinforcement learning, and the use of large pre-trained language models have led to improved dialogue management capabilities, making chatbots and virtual assistants more capable of handling complex and dynamic conversation. So next,
Hello everyone, I'm Varun. I'm going to explain about importance of the dialogue management. The dialogue management is circular in natural learning process for the several reasons. The, that's the contextual understanding and use and engage increasement and task competence and error handling. It's a help NLP system understand and maintain context during conversation that response are relevant and the usages like the error handling also dialogue management helping in handling users error and gracefully making the conversation more robots are using friendlyly. Overall, dialogue management is a fundamental component of NLP that ensures effective communication between humans and AI system, making them more useful and user friendly. And I'm going to next slide.
next come to the importance of dialogue management. My
Here the natural language management. Natural language generation is a ability of the machines to produce human-like languages in the response to user input by the using algorithm that analyze and the process data to create sensitive and the paragraphs. Like the NLG system analyze users input to identify relevant information and the determine responses. Algorithms using templates, rules, and the statistical model to general natural language text and machine learning techniques can improve the assurance and the efficiency of NLG over time. Here, the importance of the natural language management and human like response. Uh, Achieving human like response in NLP is challenging and evolving goals in the field of the artificial intelligence service factor. Like the natural language understanding, contextual understanding, emotional intelligence, and personalization, multimodal learning and improvement, large scale training data and the improve users experience, personalization and efficiency uh, are the mostly usual. While a AI model have made significant process is generating human-like response, achieving true human-like conversation remains a complex and challenges. Researching are actively working on the improving this AI system more professional like human communications. And I am going for the next slides. And here is the applications of the dialogue understanding. And the application of the dialogue understanding is a fundamental component of natural learning process with various practical applications like virtual assistant and customer support, information e-commerce, healthcare, language transfer, and education, and most of like that, and multimodal personal assistant, IoT, and smart homes. Here the lot of applications of dialogue understanding. And first of all, we are going to that explain about virtual assistants. Dialogue understanding is circular for the virtual assistant and the chatbot to comprehend and the respond to uh, use like a task settings, remains answers questions and providing customer support. And customer support in the customer support service domains, dialogue understanding helps automate response to common customer drainage like issues and routine depends on agents. And the e-commerce like it can assist in the product recommendation, order tracking and customer by understanding and responding to users. Education in e-learning platform, dialogue understanding can integrate tuition like system that adapt their response to student question and need answers. And I am going to next slide. And here is the next slide of challenging in dialogue understanding. And there are some sub points of the challenging in dialogue understanding like context handling uh, and out of domain user internet data privacy, lack of training data, real time scalability, common sense resourcing. And the addressing these challenges in an ongoing area research and development in NLP with the goals of improving that capabilities of a dialogue understanding system for more effective and natural human components are gonna most useful in this. And I am going to move for next slide. It is the future dialogue understanding. Like the future dialogue understanding in natural language process, NLP holds several possibility and development, like more natural and human, like multimodal personalization, cross illegal understanding, real time translation and interpretation, emotionally intelligent AI, common sense, industry specific, better contact, human AI collaboration, and etc. The future of the dialogue understanding in NLP is filled with promise, with AI becoming a more interactive part of our daily life. However, this future also comes with challenges, interesting, ethical, and need for the responsibility AI development, researching and involvement will be in shaping this future possibility. And thank you for you guys, and thank you Professor for making this wonderful presentation. Thank you for helping. Thank you guys.